how to log in into EGA employee portal. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer. After that, on the search URL, type in EGA employee login, then press enter on your keyboard. Now, once you land on this interface, head over to the first link that says EGA or Emirates Global Aluminium. Click on that. Now, once you get to this interface, on your left hand side, under this text that says Welcome to EGA Self-Service Portal, there is a link that says click here. Click on that. Now you will be directed to sign in page. So first of all, enter your valid user ID in this format, and after that click on next button, and on the next page you will be asked to enter your password. Enter your correct password and click on login button. Then you'll be successfully logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's how you log in into EGA employee portal. And I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.